Hey girl, hey, welcome to the channel. I'm your girl Decenta who loves things all on sale. In this channel we talk about all things on a budget, from DIY projects to shopping the latest clearance rack, travel hacks. We talk about it all. So if that's something that you're interested in, come on in, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am your girl Decenta who loves things all on sale. In today's video, I actually just got back. Y'all, sorry. I was eating some popcorn. I just got back from running so many errands and I'm sitting here getting ready for my vacation, and I just decided to just kind of take you guys along the way, like pack with me some things that I'm packing, some things I'm thinking about packing, some possibles. I pack really light when I go on vacation, like the outfits this time, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of laying in the sun, a lot of sleeping, a lot of like eating. I plan on eating, going to the beach, going to the pool, eating, going whatever activities they have on this resort, and just kind of just chilling. I don't want to do any excursions. I just want to rest and just reset, realign myself and get my life with my husband. And that is what this trip is. So it's a really low-key trip, so I'm not packing a lot. I'm definitely not bringing any heels, so it's a low maintenance trip. So let's just go ahead and get into the looks, and y'all let me know in the comments what you like, what would you change, because I'm sitting in my closet and I'm just trying to make it work, you know. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is one of the swimsuits that I purchased, and it is tummy control. Like, it is really controlling the stomach here, but I still have like skin showing. I love this swimsuit. I purchased this swimsuit from Walmart, y'all. It was only $10. Now I had to get mine online, but and I actually have on underwear because I haven't washed it yet, because y'all need to wash y'all swimsuits, okay? Wash the swimsuits. But this, oh yeah, and y'all know I'm breastfeeding too, and it's sitting up with the girls. The girls are sitting up. I ordered this in a black as well. I love the pink on my skin, super cute. And y'all, like, it's controlling the stomach, like super cute. I like the color. And then cover up with this swimsuit, I think. I don't know, I have another cover up that I may do with this swimsuit. I don't know if this is given. I don't, because it's kind of, it's pink right here and this is yellow, so I don't know if it's given. I ordered the black one, the black swimsuit like this one, so I'm gonna wear that with the black cover up. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. But yes, y'all, this swimsuit, 10 out of 10 would recommend, from Walmart, and I'll list it right here if you're thinking about going to get it. So all right, y'all, so this would be the next outfit here. Now this is just a regular tank dress. I purchased this from Walmart again, y'all, for $8, and I have my my Spanx on. So because it's so form-fitting, I like to put the Spanx up that you cannot even see here. And so for the earrings, the hoops, for the video purpose I'm doing these, but I will probably style them with these here and these glasses, and then this purse that I got from Primark for, I think that was $5. And then where this purse with these shoes, because again, like, I only do carry-on bags. I don't check a bag, so like my outfits have to flow with my shoes and my accessories because I hate checking bags. You gotta wait for your bag and all of this. I'll be ready to go, y'all. I'm not spending my vacation waiting for a check bag. So I could do this one, but this one's kind of broke. I thrifted this like maybe like 2-3 years ago, and this was my newest one. So I might take this one. But right here, I really don't really need a bag because I'm gonna be on an all-inclusive resort, so everything's gonna be paid for. So I probably won't even do a bag, but just so the outfits can outfit, I will probably do this one. And I have it on backwards, and I have to pop this tag. So yes, this is, so yes, this would be a dinner outfit, you know, going to dinner in this, something that I can slip on easy. Let's go. I don't have on a bra and I need to pump right now, but I do have to find a half bra for my boobs because I don't have on any. But yeah, this would definitely be a dinner outfit for sure. All right, let's get into the next outfit. All right, guys, so this is going to be my next outfit here. Now, I'm thinking that I can wear this lunch, like when I'm getting out of the pool, go back to the room. I can throw this on for lunch. So these are the pants that I purchased from Primark. These, as you can see, I still have the tag on it. They were $18. They're Bermuda shorts. I can't even talk. Bermuda shorts. And I need to cut these off. This is the tag for them, and these in another video that I have out. Now this top is from Amazon. This swimsuit is from Amazon, and this top is actually a shirt and it's long, but I'm like pushing it up so it could fit here. This is the back here. These are my Sam Edmund shoes here that I purchased from Nordstrom. And I feel like this is like a vibrant color here, and it's streaming vacation, right? It's streaming vacation. And then I can pair it with this bag here. I purchased this bag from the hair beauty supply store. Yes, they be having the cutest bags ever. And so here you go, your budget friendly outfit here, less than $50 that you can wear going to lunch after you come in from a pool day, you know. These tops will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so definitely check these out. And just for video purposes, I just threw on my hoops here. And so yeah, this would be one outfit that I am packing. Alright, y'all, so this is another tummy control swimsuit that I really love. This is from Primark, and I think I paid $12. And I have this Coverup from Primark as well. I think this was $12. I still have the ticket on it. And then these shoes are from Old Navy, and I think I paid $8 for these. And I could have went down a size in this swimsuit. This is a large. I probably could have done a medium, but it fits really comfortable. I like it. It's covering up my back, and the only thing with swimsuits is you don't know, you know, if it's gonna be enough for your junk in your trunk. But this one is really good. It's covering up, and I will probably pair it with this. And I do have another one this color. Let me show y'all that one. Okay, so this is this same bathing suit but in a different color, and y'all, the bathing suit was $16. And I am going to use this same cover up for this flower cover up for this swimsuit. These two, and then the pink one and the black one is coming with me, and then I have a Versace one that is coming with me as well. Let me show y'all them. I have another red one and I have a purple one, but I think I'm going to do, since I'm doing the pink one already, I think I want to do the blue one maybe. I'm not sure. I might do the pink because it could go with what I have on with my Coverup. And I'm not trying to pack a lot of things because I plan on being on the beach for most of the day anyway. So I think I might do the pink one. I'm not sure, but one of these are coming with me. All right, let's move on to the next outfit. All right, so this is the next outfit that we have here. So I paired this tank, y'all. This tank was on TikTok everywhere, TikTok shop. I found it in roses for $5.99. It's actually a bodysuit. It's supposed to slim your waist down, and then these shorts are from Ross for $5.99, and then I paired it with this gold belt, and then my sandals here. Now this would be a dinner outfit, you know, if you want to like dress it up with the belt, or you can take off the belt with a solid swimsuit cover and then just have like a shirt over it. You can do a lot of things with these shorts and this top as well, because you can wear the top with like bottoms like jean. All right, here is another outfit that I would do for dinner. This is a two-piece set that I purchased from Citi Trend, and I think that you guys have seen this here. It almost didn't make the cut because this is an extra large and the shorts are a little too small, but I think that it'll work because this right here is big, so you can't really tell that the shorts are a little small. But I don't know if I will wear this because I need to be comfortable, especially on vacation. So I might save this one in my closet, but I don't know. Y'all let me know. Like, of course I would move the arms up, but I feel like some of these restaurants on the resort, they are cold inside, and so I think that this would fit, you know, a good two-piece. You can't go wrong with a good two-piece. So yeah, I think I might. I'm not sure about this one. All right guys, so this is the next outfit. You guys have already seen this, well, y'all probably haven't, but I purchased this shirt from Amazon. I'll have it linked if I can find it. I purchased this like years ago. So yeah, and then this skirt is thrifted. You guys know, you've seen it in a previous video. If not, go back and look at my Come Thrift With Me. And then I have my Hermes dupes here. And then I have this purse here. I feel like this purse, you can wear it and you know, you can wear it for vacation, and then you can switch it up on this side. I feel like this is like a perfect match for the Hermes and this. And so the top is giving dramatic, so I wanted it to give dramatic here, and so I will probably like just put the straps in here and then have it come up a certain way, so that way I can wear this different ways. I can wear it like this, be like a dinner lunch style, an easy style that you can come up with, slip on and go. So this is another outfit that I'm surely packing because I just threw it together and I think this is the one. This is like an outfit like after lunch. Like, I feel like it's a lunch. I'm trying to decide which purse I want to take, either the orange one or this thrifted one. Y'all, these shorts are thrifted, and I have my Hermes Dupes on here, and I'm thinking, because I don't want to pack a lot of things, I'm thinking maybe this one Or what shoes should I pack? Should I do these shoes and this purse, or the orange ones with this one? Y'all gotta help me out. Go ahead and comment. Go ahead and comment. So the thing is, I want to wear most of my sandals with all of my outfits because I only do carry on bags. So yeah. So next up, I'm not sure about this outfit because I feel like I can do off the shoulders and kind of make it work. It's a romper. It's from Shein. Someone actually gifted this to me. Shout out to Dada if you're watching this. Shout out to you because you're the real MVP. I have here, and I paired it with my Tory Burch sandals here that I hardly wear, so I'm trying to get some wear out of them. I can wear it kind of like off the shoulder, and it's kind of giving, it's a little cute like this, like off the shoulder. This bag to pair it with to make it a vacation type vibe. Do you like this? Yes? No? Thumbs up in me, y'all. So I don't know, I think I like it. Well, I'll have to see how it looks on the camera, but I feel like it gives it like another type of vibe to it. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.